Hi, I'm Sarah Oscroft and I'm now one of Farnborough Hill's beekeepers. I really wanted to bring bees to Farnborough Hill when I came for my interview and saw all of the wonderful bees carved all around the house in the woodwork, and I said, you know, we don't actually have bees here, and now having had quite a lot of training, we've finally got a hive and the bees are in and looking like they're pretty settled.
Hi, I'm Jake Tyrrell, I'm the new beekeeper. I'm excited for the bees here just to see how it all works and how it goes.
So hello everybody, I'm Madeline Green-Lally, one of the beekeepers at the Jubilee Hive on a beautiful day today. Just on our first bee inspection, absolutely delighted to have found the queen today, and I think I'm motivated to do this because it's such a contribution to our environment, isn't it? We've got this beautiful resource here full of trees, flowers, and we can really link our Napoleonic emblem of the school to real live bees that we're hoping to keep really healthy.
There's lava on this side. Just lava, isn't it? Like that.
Okay, lovely. Can we see any eggs?
Oh, that is honey. This capped area is honey in here. Okay, so they've actually made some honey. They've got some stores, which is a good thing. So not brood, but that's honey. So it's honey here, and then they've drawn out all of these cells, and eventually they'll get capped off, and we might see some capped off in the next frame.
Oh look, there's one capped off there.
Oh, is there?
Yeah,
yes.
see,
Yeah, down there.